To maximize your T-Mobile home internet speed and reliability, placement is crucial. The goal is a strong, stable cellular signal from T-Mobile's towers. Start by identifying nearby towers using the T-Mobile app or website. Place the gateway near a window or exterior wall facing the tower for the clearest line of sight. Signal strength is measured in deep aim for -50 dB or better. Obstructions like walls, metal, and appliances weaken signals, so keep the area clear. Elevate the router, if possible, to reduce ground-level interference. Adjust external antennas, if present, to point towards the tower. Once you've found a promising location, use the T-Mobile app or third-party apps like OpenSignal to test signal strength and run speed tests via Ookla's speed test. To extend coverage indoors, especially in larger homes, consider pairing the gateway with a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh network system like Eero or Google Nest. These systems create a wider Wi-Fi network, eliminating dead zones and ensuring consistent speeds throughout your home. Avoid overloading the router with too many connected devices, as this can impact performance. If you live in a rural area with weak signal, a directional antenna can significantly improve reception. Remember to retest your speeds after installing any new equipment to ensure optimal performance.